Hi, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Welcome to my channel. Before and after of LV repair, like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. I have my SPEEDY and my SAUMUR 35. Festo on the front here. Hi everybody. All right, and then inside is pretty cool. And let's see here, we can fit a lot in this bag, but I'm not going to overstuff it. I'm going to bring a mask just in case. We don't really need them because I have my second shot, so I hope everybody's getting vaccinated. Got my phone. Stick that in the corner. I got this really cool pen too at Piment from the personal shopper from Betty in Florida. And look, you just go like that and you got a pen. And then the top is like a crystal. And it's rose gold. It's really pretty. So I'll stick that in one of the pockets here in the front in my SAUMUR organizer, which I love. Right? Can't go anywhere without that, so I'll stick that down there. And then I'm going to take this Fendi wallet, which is pretty cool. Pretty simple, but it works really well. And I'm going to swap it out with my Prima compact zippy, and I'll just put the cards or whatever in here, so I'll do that. I'm not gonna need that. Oh, better put some money in there. I need that. Lotto ticket. Yeah, definitely will need that. Hopefully I'll win so I can get my Chanel reissue. Gotta have that bag. I love it. All right, and what do we got in here real quick? I got a couple lipsticks. And what's your favorite bag? Do you have any favorite bags that you're wanting to get before you die? Yeah, gosh, I'd love to have a reissue. But even on Fashion File, they're just way out of my price range. I can't even get a used one. Yeah, they're just way too much. I mean, it's just incredible. But, you know, it's a luxury item, so I guess what can you really expect? All right, I got my reading glasses. Stick those in the corner. There we go. All right, and that should pretty much do it for the bag swap. And I hope everybody's having a great day. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. And here's the Alma. I'll be taking pictures of this baby. This is a very nice bag. I love it. You cannot go wrong with Epi leather. It's well worth the money. All right, until next time, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.